In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first, just open list of all apps and enter Settings. And then find and select Biometrics and Security, scroll down and click on Install Unknown Apps right here. And now you can give permission to some particular app, for example Gmail, just mark it, and here you can smoothly allow from the source by using this switcher. And that's it. From now on you will be able to install apps via this source, and obviously you can do it for any other app, just like this. And this is it. This is how you can activate installation from apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.